So this is a quick video we did. It's a residential job, a plumbing leak detection that we did. We walked the house, we listened to basically everything. Here's how we found it, and here's the actual leak underground. Check it out. So between the street and the house, well, when we opened up that meter box, we have a ton of pooling water over there. When we did this shutoff between here and there, we still have our meter running. So we know this is the shutoff for the house. We have a leak between here and the meter. Why we check the rest of the house when we turn this back on, and don't ever forget to turn that back on. We want to make sure that there are no other leaks under slab anywhere else in the house. So what we do is we're going to shut that, and then we're going to turn that back on. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to walk the perimeter as we teach you. We're going to walk the outside perimeter. We're going to be looking for spigots. We're going to be looking for sprinkler valves, looking for anything that might be out in the back, hidden underneath. Then we're going to walk the house, and we're going to follow around the inside of the house. Now we're going to come in the house, and we're going to look for basically everything. We're going to wind up going in and touching valves on the kitchen. We're going to take our long probe and break it down to our pipe probe. And we're going to be checking washer dryer stub ups, cold water, hot water. We're going to be listening to literally everything. We're going to listen to our bathroom valves. Remember, touch the screw so you're not touching plastic. Next thing we're going to do, we're coming back out and we're hooking up our pressure rig so that we can pump both air and water into the leak so that we can make that sound. Check it out. We're locating the leak right here. We're going to mark that leak right there. Now we're going to dig it up. So we cut the concrete. This is exactly where we marked it. That's where the leak was. So this is how we got the job done using the plumber's kit by Leaktronics. We used our deck plate, we used our soil probe, pipe probe. Again, that's how we did this leak. We showed you the actual leak. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com or check out our YouTube channel.